every note that I have on my flute tuning chart right now. Oh, I can't play that note. That note I don't have on my flute. It's on the fret joint. You have to have a certain key. Right here, you have to have like another one right there. Evil. My band director could play it, but I can't. Bullshit blank camera. So we're gonna start back where I stopped. I stopped at a D. So he's gonna come back like right now. I'm gonna start back on a D. Oh my lord, there's mosquitoes right now. Ouchie. Okay. That's not an F sharp, that's a G. I can't play any higher than a sharp, B flat, like right here. I can't play any higher than that right there.